Intel motherboards for Core i9 ensure maximum performance, stability, compatibility, advanced features, efficient power delivery, and future upgrade support options. My today's video is about top 5 best motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASUS motherboard. Built on the Intel LGA 1700 socket, this motherboard is designed to fully unleash 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel Core processors while supporting next-gen technologies like PCIe 5.0 and blazing fast DDR5 memory, making it ready for Windows 11 out of the box. Its 16 plus 1 DRMOS power design, ProCool connectors, DG plus VRM, and military-grade TUF components deliver exceptional stability and long-term durability even under heavy workloads. Cooling is equally impressive with VRM heat sinks, a fanless PCH heatsink, dedicated M.2 cooling, and intelligent fan Expert 4 control for optimized thermal performance. For connectivity, it excels with Intel Wi-Fi 6AX 201, 2.5 gigabits LAN, TUF LAN guard, and Turbo LAN technology, ensuring ultra-low latency gaming and streaming. Storage and expansion are future-ready with 4 M.2/NVMe slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, and Thunderbolt 4 support, making a powerful, well-balanced choice for gamers and high-performance users. Now our second product is Gigabyte motherboard. Built around the Intel LGA 1700 socket, this motherboard delivers strong future-ready performance with support for Intel 14th, 13th, and 12th Gen Core processors, making it a solid foundation for both gaming and productivity builds. Its DDR5 compatibility with 4 SMD DIMM slots and XMP 3.0 support ensures faster memory speeds and smoother multitasking, especially for demanding workloads. The twin 16 plus 1 plus 2-phase digital VRM design with 70A power stages provides stable and efficient power delivery, even under heavy CPU loads or overclocking. Thermal performance is equally impressive, featuring M.2 Thermal Guard 3, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, PCIe ultra-durable armor, and a robust 6-layer PCB for long-term reliability and heat control. Storage and connectivity are future-focused with 4 PCIe 4.0x 4 M.2 slots and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, offering extremely fast data transfer and expansion flexibility. Overall, it's a premium, stability-driven motherboard built for high-performance users. The third product is Shangzhou motherboard. This LGA 1150 gaming motherboard is a reliable choice for users building or upgrading systems based on 4th Gen Intel Core processors, such as i7 4790K, i5 4690K, and similar CPUs. Supporting dual-channel DDR3 memory up to 32 GB with speeds up to 1866 MHz, it delivers stable multitasking performance for everyday computing and light gaming workloads. Based on the B85 chipset, it offers practical expansion with M.2 support, NVMe/SATA auto switching, PCIe X16 3.0, PCIe X1, dual PCI slots, SATA 3.0 ports, and versatile display outputs including VGA, DVI, and HDMI. The 4-phase power design with all-solid capacitors ensures consistent stability, supported by a 6-layer PCB and dedicated heatsink for improved durability and thermal control. A 24 plus 8-pin power interface requires a quality 500 WPSU for optimal operation. While older in platform, it remains a solid, budget-friendly option for stable office use or entry-level gaming builds. Number 4. Intel motherboard. The Intel Core Ultra desktop processor is built for next-generation computing, delivering a powerful balance of performance and efficiency through its advanced hybrid architecture. With 24 cores, 8 performance cores, and 16 efficient cores, and 24 threads, it intelligently distributes workloads to maximize speed while minimizing power consumption, resulting in a cooler, quieter, and more responsive system. Boosting up to 5.7 GHz with an impressive 40 megabytes cache, it handles demanding gaming, content creation, and multitasking with ease. Integrated Intel graphics provide basic visual performance without requiring a discrete GPU for light tasks. It supports cutting-edge technologies including PCIe 5.0, PCIe 4.0, Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0, and Intel Optane memory, ensuring strong future-proofing and fast data access. Designed for Intel 800 series motherboards, it fits modern high-performance builds. However, users should note that no thermal solution is included, requiring a quality aftermarket cooler for stable operation under load. And our last choice is Inland Motherboard. The Intel Raptor Lake Refresh Core i7-14700K is a high-performance processor designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand extreme multitasking power. Featuring 20 cores, 8 performance cores, and 12 efficient cores. With 28 threads, it delivers outstanding parallel processing capability for gaming, video editing, streaming, and heavy workloads. With boost speeds reaching up to 5.6 GHz, it ensures ultra-responsive performance and high frame rates in modern AAA titles. Integrated Intel UHD Graphics 770 provides basic display and light multimedia support without a discrete GPU. It supports both DDR4 and DDR5 memory, offering flexibility for upgrades, and is compatible with Intel 600 and 700 series motherboards, with BIOS updates if needed. Paired with the MSI Pro Z790P Wi-Fi motherboard, the platform becomes a powerhouse featuring PCIe 5.0, multiple PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, DDR5 speeds beyond 7,000 MHz, OC, and a robust 14+1+1 power design. Advanced cooling with extended heat sinks and high-quality thermal pads ensure stability under heavy loads, making it a premium, future-ready setup. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.